Welcome to Soft Learn Online, your ultimate destination for comprehensive and professional learning. In today's tutorial, we will delve into the crucial topic of risk management in Forex trading. Successful traders understand that effective risk management is the cornerstone of consistent profitability in the dynamic world of foreign exchange. So, let's dive in and equip ourselves with the necessary skills to navigate the Forex market with confidence. In this lesson, we will explore the importance of risk management and learn how to protect your trading capital effectively. Whether you're a beginner or have limited knowledge of Forex, this class will provide you with a solid foundation in managing risk in the Forex market. Understanding risk in Forex trading. Risk is an inherent part of Forex trading. It refers to the potential loss or gain in a trade. Before delving into risk management strategies, let's understand the concept of risk and its significance in the Forex market. Define risk in Forex trading and emphasize its unpredictability and potential impact on your trading account. Explain the concept of leverage and its role in amplifying both profits and losses. Highlight the importance of identifying and managing risk to safeguard your trading capital. Setting risk tolerance and goals. Before executing any trade, it's crucial to define your risk tolerance and establish clear trading goals. This will help you make informed decisions and mitigate potential losses. Discuss the process of assessing your risk tolerance by considering factors such as financial situation, trading experience, and emotional resilience. Explain the significance of setting achievable goals, such as daily, weekly, or monthly profit targets, as well as determining acceptable drawdown limits. Provide examples and emphasize the need to align risk tolerance and goals with your trading strategy. Position sizing and stop-loss orders. Proper position sizing and the use of stop-loss orders are essential risk management techniques. They help limit potential losses and protect your capital during adverse market conditions. Explain the concept of position sizing and the role it plays in determining the appropriate trade size based on your account balance and risk tolerance. Demonstrate how to calculate position size using the percentage risk method or fixed monetary risk method. Discuss the importance of stop-loss orders and how to set them effectively to limit losses in case the market moves against your position. Diversification and risk distribution. Diversification is a risk management strategy that involves spreading your trades across different currency pairs or asset classes. This helps reduce the impact of potential losses on your overall portfolio. Explain the concept of diversification and its benefits in minimizing risk. Discuss how to select correlated or uncorrelated currency pairs for diversification purposes. Highlight the importance of monitoring correlation and avoiding overexposure to a single currency or market. Provide examples and emphasize the need to diversify your trading positions. Regular evaluation and adjustment. Risk management is an ongoing process that requires regular evaluation and adjustment. Markets are dynamic, and your risk management strategy should adapt accordingly. Stress the importance of regularly reviewing and assessing your risk management plan. Discuss the significance of evaluating trading performance, identifying patterns, and adjusting risk parameters accordingly. Explain how to track and analyze your trades using trade journals or software tools to identify areas for improvement. Emphasize the need to maintain discipline and stick to your risk management strategy. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this tutorial informative and valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more educational content. Stay tuned for upcoming tutorials where we will explore exciting topics to further enhance your trading skills. Wishing you profitable and risk-managed trading experiences. Thanks, bye-bye.